boys, welcome back to Aquatic Back. On the thing, other video again, I'm going to have many gear in the glow at fish, Kiaga. It may video can Arabic make glow at try and make glow at Hadad Disaha. Rakabala and email the Etivan get to Nirakar Negarganda, Mekolangi Kiarin Ganaganda, Mekolangi Tihase. Tower tank requirements, tank setup, feeding, leader roga, varieties, tank mates la. Kiena Karna, Atama may video in Katagarna. Egan is a video on the Rendela. Tamam Magachal subscribe Kalata, Damma subscribe Kala, all press Karana, Yarn, eating a beyond video. Megalang a Palavini Karna was in Gato, Megalang Hase, Atra me Maluma, Mulim Hoyagane, Dakunu Africa, Kiana, Dakunu America, Kina Ratting, Atra Megolo and Paula Tama, Caradise. Atra Megolame had they can make a glomalu, Vargiak Nisa, Glomalu Jatia Nisa, Megolam. Hadan Mulimma, Megolang body shape and a back window tetra game, Megolang Shari, Varne Gane, Zebra and Yukina Malungi. It in Devani Karna had a tank requirements Ganakatagora, PH high the Shapat, Atatara, Hadanapula, Taushnate, Celsius Chance Pahalavat, Visipat, Rushnate, Tina Megolo Hadadi, Atra Megolo Pratishakti Gane, Tama, Aduyanisa, letter of a Valadina Tina Pravanta, Vadi. Too many Karna had a tank set up. Megalon then on the tanks set up and Agataro on the filtration at the end of summoning make glomalu with an anime, Podimba, Varga, Tetra Varga, Hada the summoning loku, high floor at the internal filter Karian ne, Tokonamalu stress in Anganisa on the Mangavage Podi sponge filter take up the hang on back filters Wage, filters Venamatiana may Podimalu Hadandi. At the Mata Megalon then on a tank area Gangataro tank set up area Gangataro. Megolan summon may get food dala, soba paladala. Natural look again Tinon Tamegolo, Vishesh and Megano plant tanks it up pegadi Tolan Toragan on the Malu Tamame, load at again. Hatamini Karna again a Katagoro, Megolan Kia tips. At the Masigira Visipaga water change at Dina Megol Hadadi. Someone on the filtration at Tipa maker and non native. Someone filtration nati, again Sulu filter take up Tina Magavage. Tank keka. See the Visipaga water change at the Duna Pasegala Kunu siphon making Ogoladin on Apadra Vidi Passe. Puluantara Megolang a tank water. Quality take at the end of the Pastama Mekolama, G with the Kalama Volanta, Rakabala and Pulua. Are you calling a Katagro Tauro to not Tunhamara Tadra, you call it Tienova? Uprima than Agal de Kahamara, Decatatra, Uprima Tunatama, Mekolo Coin. High Passini Karnata, Megala feeding process. Megolan then feeding process again mainly in a Karnatama, Megalo, Sarabakshamalu, Egnisa, College, Niviti, then Pulanta on the high protein pellet at Tina, make glow at Travage, glow maluta, and the fully high protein gata fakes, then the Pulva. Megolang, letter of Ganakatagram, Kaling Karna, Kalingarana, Kivage, Mekola, Pratishakti Karnaduini, glow maluja, Tiagnisa, Eganisa. Megolan white spot, Claudia Ivage, Suduin Ledenva, Tava, Dropsikina, Ledatena. Megolange, Vegan, Hatani Karna, Vidya Katagoro, varieties, again make colors well in Tama Megolang varieties, Bedeni. Api varieties Ballad, Patagalemu, Apayata when he was Antimagar. Antimakarna Tenama, pay glowed at a carrying negati, Antimakarna, Megolanga tank mates la. Megolanga tank mates la, the neon tetra Pluang, the cherish buggy podi, Kuniso, a plant tank set up for the other planta, cardinal tetra, molly, plate, sote. I think Tiger Babeka Thadan Pulam may Bauna Babarga Kadan Rosi Bab Puluang, Tiger Babeka or Pin and Mandalatina, Tiger Babla, they go under Macadam tank set up. Hari boys video thing may I get them subscribe all press color anything up video some kind of thing. Digama set in a subscribe.